I had suggested this theme for a giveaway for a different subscription box months ago, so I'm hoping that she actually does it. And I'm super excited to see that Simply Gilded came out with the same theme. I love spring, I love Paris, so this hands down is the best box ever from Simply Gilded. I love everything, so let's get into the box. This little card tells you what's inside the box. This is the first time I ever get a figure of Juniper, and this is a little blind box. So this is the one that I received with the yellow dress. So cute. Here is the 2 full sheets of stickers. I love the colors and all the little details, the Eiffel Tower, the little desserts. It's just all so cute. I am loving the gold foiling. It just makes all the little details pop out. Very pretty. And I love that it says Lovey in Rose, Life in Pink. Here is the bow seals as well as a half sheet of stickers. I'm loving the icons and the date dots. I love the pop of pink on the icons. It's all just very pretty. We got 2 vellum sheets, and this one reminds me of one we've had in a previous box, but I do like the pink one with the pink ribbon. Here is a journaling card, and it says Vouloir c'est pouvoir. Basically, it means where there's a will, there's a way. Out of all the washi, these 2 are my favorite. I love all the little details, and the gold foiling really makes it stand out. So these are super pretty. I love the Eiffel Tower. Here are the rest of the washies. I do love the colors. Here is the pouch. It has 2 D-rings on the side, so you can actually attach a chain, or you can carry it as a clutch. I do love the quilted and the little heart it has. And here's the inside. It just has a pocket and enough for little things. Here is the B6 notebook, and it's really simple with a little bow, and it says Lovey in Rose, which is life in pink. Super cute. Here is the pin. I love the gold, the white, and the pink together. Here are some die cuts that we received. I love, it looks like a little cafe. I love the light gold foiling. It just makes it so pretty. I love receiving die cuts because I can put it in the pocket of my planner. Here is the mystery item and a very cute little pouch. She had mentioned that the mystery item was worth the price of the box, which was exciting. And this is a 14 karat gold plated necklace that she released for her shop. And it comes in rose gold and silver, I believe. Beautiful. This by far is the best box I've received, only because I love Paris. And Paris in spring was a theme I did mention to a different subscription box a couple months ago. So I'm excited. Hopefully she comes out with it. But this by far is the best box I've gotten. It's beautiful. I love the little details of the light gold. It's so pretty. So let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.